Hey, Gus. Hey, we got a situation upstairs.
What do you mean situation?
You know when you're on a road trip and you go into a public bathroom and you're like, how did one person do all of this?
Like make a mess? What do you mean?
Yeah, like for example, in Daddy Daycare, when the kid goes like poop, and Eddie Murphy like looks everywhere, and he's like, what? How? That, but like picture that, but like in the bathroom upstairs.
Are you telling me you got poop?
Okay, well we don't have to be so crass, all right? I didn't take that class in high school. I don't know
Class
exactly.
in high school? You should have been taught that by your parents when you were like 4 years old.
I guess they messed up, but like, just the thing is like toilet paper is so like old and antiquated, and like I just wish that there was a better way.
A better way?
Yeah.
Well, you know, I got a lot to do today, but I tell you what, Eddie, I'll help you out. I've got something that'll help you.
Okay,
Eddie, unplug it. Seriously, it's burning. I'm not even kidding. Unplug it.
So you were gonna teach me a better way?
Seriously.
No, but like there is like a mess upstairs, so if you could teach me like...
Eddie, this is seriously broken. I'm not even kidding right now. Without this.
Hey, if you want to continue to add...
I need a second, okay?
Oh, alright, buddy.
Just don't. I need a second.
Okay, I said alright.
Did you actually poop upstairs?
Do you think he bought it?
I can hear you, Eddie.
He looks really mad.
I am mad.
Looks like he's having a bad day.
No, forget it.
I think mine's the wrong way.
Just hold it up straight.
It's the wrong way.
Hold it front
it's the
first.
wrong way.
The Boss Bidet is the most clean and eco-friendly and luxurious way to clean your behind.
I think the lighting could be better. We could use the light from
Where
earlier.
were you for the last 20 minutes?
I mean, I sure as hell wasn't in the bathroom upstairs, you know.
Just stop.
Oh, God.
I don't want to do this.
Gus, we have to film the Boss Baby ad. You
It's
can't-
Boss Bidet! I have half a mind to think that you just filled the bathroom with your own...
Filled, man. What is filled even?
We're not
man?
even filming up there. You didn't need to do that. I have to clean that.
Didn't need to do it.
Look at this. It's so easy to set up. There's only a couple pieces. It's supposed to take no more than 15 minutes. What, you don't have 15 minutes? You think you're better than everybody?
I can't even count to 5, and that's enough parts for me to count. There's 3 parts in this one if it connects.
Oh, wait. Oh, these are
Oh,
two bidets.
shit. There's 2 bidets.
It's gonna take you even shorter than we thought.
We thought there were more parts. This company does it all.
Well, they'd make a couple things.
It's easy. It's luxurious. It's modern. It's Boss Baby. It's Boss Bidet.
They just make bidets. The Boss Bidet is
Dude,
the
I
most...
can't tell
Just
which
hold
is
it
the
to
way
front,
to
okay?
show.
The
I don't know which way is the
Just
front.
let me say the talking points. The Boss Bidet is an incredibly hygienic way to wash your rear end. Way more hygienic than toilet paper. And I've got a demonstration to demonstrate that for you. Let's go,
I'm
Eddie.
excited. Let's go. Hey, Boss Bidet, thank you so much. This is really cool. You're really supporting us. And I'm sorry Gus is being so moody.
Eddie, come on.
Hey, should we use the light outside?
Eddie! Here we are outside, Eddie, to demonstrate the cleansing power of the Boss Bidet. This is your bum.
Oh.
And this is after a
Gus.
long night of tequila and Tex-Mex.
Come on, dude.
Uh-oh, bums are leaking. Make the way to the
Gus.
toilet. Uh-oh.
Come
Oh.
on, man.
Oh, no.
This
Ow!
is- oh.
Ow! Oh!
Jesus.
Boss Bidet, please!
We're
No!
just neighbors, dude. This
No! God
is the lowest
damn it.
point either of my channels have gone through.
Oh. What am I to do? Better call up the Boss Bidet. Uh-oh. Off the toilet and onto the floor. No! No, God, no!
What are you attacking?
Coming through me like a freight train.
No, Gus, come on, man.
What am I supposed to do? Get hemorrhoids from wiping all day? I don't think so. Wait till the Boss Bidet comes into play.
Gus, we already saw how modern and luxurious the bidet was. Boss Bidet.
Do you think you got messy buns now? This is what Boss Bidet can do for you. Wow! Look at that. Not a speck on these spackers. Nice and cleansing. Notice how it works the crease. Just like so.
Boss Bidet blasts away the competition. It completely obliterates the germs.
This is clean enough to eat off of. Look,
Why don't
it
you
gets
eat
the
it?
rest of the colon too.
Gus, you said it's clean enough to eat off of.
Yeah, look at it.
Don't you trust Boss Bidet to clean all the germs?
Yeah, why not?
Then eat it.
I mean, I just ate. I probably
No,
shouldn't.
you
but-
said if you trust Boss Bidet, they trusted us, and you gotta trust them.
I mean, okay. Thank you, Boss Bidet.
Thank you for being so clean, Boss Bidet.
It's just like Mom used to make. Look at how it just wicks away the feces at an affordable and comfortable rate, so as not to cleanse your colon too much, just the right amount. Halt! Boss Bidet!
Thanks, Boss Bidet.
That's right. Boss Bidet. Take that, colon. Boss Bidet. Yes! Take it! Boss Bidet. So go out today and pick up your very own super affordable, sleek, luxurious Boss Bidet. The links are in the description. Boss Bidet, the future of hygiene. The future of hygiene.
Future of
hygiene.
So it's not Boss Baby.
No, it's a film.
What's a film, Boss
We
Bidet?
saw that film last week. Hey guys, clearly this video was sponsored by Boss Bidet. Usually we're really picky with the sponsors that we work with on the channel, so huge thank you to Boss Bidet. We're only working with sponsors that really let us do whatever the hell we want.
Wait, you're telling me that this wasn't like oversized?
Dude, this script was handed down from the corporate office.
It's gone through many people, and this is
Many
what we ended on.
iterations.
Sponsors are so helpful for
Yeah.
YouTube, and companies that want to sponsor YouTubers are incredible. So,
No,
Boss Bidet, thank
legitimately.
you.
Yes, thank you to everyone that lets us do whatever we want. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe. Go subscribe to Eddie too.
Please do it.
Check out the links in the
Please.
description for Boss Bidet. And thank you. We'll see you later.
Yeah. So you can cut it now?
You can cut the feed.
Don't just stand there, cut it.
No, like, seriously, I don't have a lot of
Alright,
card
dude,
space
there's no
left.
space left. Cut. Don't just stand there and look at us.
It's not a joke.
What are you, licking your
Seriously.
lips?